Hey everybody, welcome to the Let's Excel channel. In today's video, you'll learn why you should be using this what-if analysis functionality in Excel.
What-if analysis in Excel allows you to try out different values, or scenarios, for formulas. Assume you go to the farmer's market with 100 cucumbers. You sell a certain percent for the highest price of $1.50 and a certain percent for the lower price of $1. Now, if you sell 60% for the highest price, cell D10 calculates a total profit of 60 times $1.50 plus 40 times $1, which comes out to $130. But what if you sell 70% for the highest price? What if you sell 80% or 90 or even 100? Each different percentage is a different scenario. You can use the Scenario Manager to create these scenarios. Yes, you could simply type in a different percentage into cell C4 to see the corresponding result of a scenario in cell D10. However, what-if analysis enables you to easily compare the results of different scenarios. To set up a what-if analysis, first select the cell that should be changing. In our example, C4. Then on the Data tab, in the Forecast group, click What-if Analysis and click Scenario Manager. In the dialog box that appears, add a scenario by clicking Add. Type a name for your scenario. We'll start with 60%. Because we selected cell C4, the percent sold for the highest price, that's the cell that will change when we select this scenario. And because it's in our total profit formula, that will change too. Once you're finished, click OK. Then in the Values dialog box that appears, type the value that you want the cell to be for that scenario, and click OK. Repeat this process for all the scenarios you want to use. In this example, additional scenarios for 70, 80, 90, and 100% are created. Once you have all the scenarios you want, all you need to do to see the result is select a scenario and click Show to see how your total profit changes. To easily compare the results of these scenarios, click Summary. You can change the result that you want to see by changing the cell reference. But for this example, we'll leave the suggestion by Excel, which points to our total profit. Click OK to view your scenario summary. And that's how easy a what-if analysis in Excel can be.
If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted, and so I can help you work smarter and not harder.